If you're running Meta ads for e-commerce brands, I finally have a good news for you. Meta has just entered easy mode for e-commerce brands. What used to take 10 ad sets, 5 lookalikes and 3 cups of coffee now take one campaign with just right creatives. In this video, I will show you how to take advantage of Meta's easy mode and scale your brands profitably step by step. In the last 1 year, Meta made big changes that actually benefit the media buyers and e-commerce brand owners. Here's what shifted. Meta's AI is smarter and it rewards simplicity. When you have good data and spending on your ad account, broad targeting works better than interest-based targeting. Advantage plus shopping campaigns are outperforming traditional campaigns, especially while scaling. Meta wants more data to optimize to get better results. Now let's walk through into the exact setup that's crossing it in 2025. This setup works the best when you have big amounts spent on your ads manager. For example, in this ads manager, if I show you the lifetime amount spent, okay, it's $1.7 million. So when you have these kind of spendings, this works the best for you. Okay, let's set up an ASC campaign, especially for scaling. Okay, first of all, choose the objective sales. If you want sales, always go for sales. Continue. Let's start with the Advantage Plus Shopping campaign. This works the best when you have winning creatives in place. If you don't have any data on your ads manager, I do not recommend this setting. You go with manual setup. When you test everything with manual, you will get precise data in your testing, and that's how your testing will be more valid. But when you have multiple winning creatives that has been proving to you since forever, then you can use Advantage Plus Shopping campaigns. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, give the campaign name ASC sales, today's date. So if you have the shop setup, go with website and shop because it has the higher ROI. But if you don't have shop setup, then you can just go with website. Okay, if you want to do like a website and app, if you have app and if you want to get sales from your app with in-app purchase campaign, you can go with website and app as well. But yeah, for now I'll go with website and shop. And performance goal, always go with maximize number of conversions. Dataset, choose the active dataset that you have. Conversion event, always go for purchase. You can also set up the cost per result goal while doing ASC. Okay, but if you don't have like really big data, I don't recommend it. But if you have good data, then you can do, for example, make sure to aim for at least 4x ROAS. If your order value is around like, let's say $120, you can put like $30 cost per result goal. Okay, and then show more options. No need to change anything. Go with the attribution selection. Go with like 7-day click and 1-day view, which is by default. Choose your audience location. Daily budget, go with $100 per day. That's what I recommend to get started, and have at least like 3 to 5 winning creatives on it. Okay, if you're running any sales on your store, you can go with like scheduling your ad and set an end date. Otherwise, like I don't recommend it. Click next. So yeah, this is the ad level. You don't have ad set level with ASC campaign. So in this level, choose Facebook page. This is the ad setup. If you want to use the existing post or creative hub mockup, you can select from here, but let's go with create ad for now. We'll go with manual upload now. If you want to run catalog ads, you can click on Advantage Plus catalog ads as well. I recommend running catalog ads campaigns when you have bigger SKUs. Okay, otherwise go with manual upload. If you want to run single image or video, click this one. If you want to run carousel ads, click this one, or collection, click this one. Okay, let me go with the single image or video for now. Put the website URL. Also choose your sub destinations, and here is the section. Okay, for creative, choose image or video. Go to the media, and you can upload from here, or if you want to choose the existing one, you can choose from here. Okay, I'll just choose one randomly from here for now, just to show you. Put everything original. Okay, next. You can put your primary text over here. Primary text, headline, description, everything over here. Call to action, always shop now for e-commerce brands if your goal is to make purchase. And here in the enhancement sections, I do not really recommend to turn everything on because sometimes like it just make the ads look very ugly. Now just turn off. Okay, and now click done. If you want to add like some language and stuff, you can add the language, but I don't recommend it when you're targeting the US, of course. And make sure like the website event is selected. If you have offline events or the events, make sure it's selected. Add the URL parameters if you're using any third-party tools. Like I 100% recommend using tools like Triple Whale, Week Report for tracking. They will give you more precise data and it will save you a lot of money, especially when you're scaling. And there you go. And then you can just rename your ad. And then you can just like duplicate this ad in the ad level, quickly duplicate, change the creative, duplicate one more time, change the creative. If you have 5, like you can put up to 5 over here when you have $100 per day budget. And then after you change all the creatives, then you can hit publish from here. That's how you can launch ASC campaign on Meta while scaling. Now I'm going to teach you how to scale your ads the smart way. In 2025, you don't scale campaigns randomly by just like increasing the budget. Here are some smart ways. Number 1, creative scaling. Double down on winners, not ad set, okay? You can scale with creatives in many ways, okay? You can use the best performing creatives to the new targetings or to another country, or like you can target other audience. You can also stack new hooks to the proven angles, and you can use the post ID of the existing champions for social proof. Another way of scaling Facebook ads nowadays is ad account structure scaling. You just keep it simple, like 1 to 2 ASC campaigns for scaling. You can also collect all the winning elements and scale with CBO. CBO means campaign budget optimization, where you put the budget in the campaign level and Meta's algorithm will decide where to put more budget into, okay? It will give more budget to the ad set and ads, which Meta Sync will give you the best result. And don't over optimize daily. I don't really recommend you to make any changes at least for 3 days. Now by this time you already know Meta is finally rewarding the simple and smart approach. If you're doing over $50,000 per month and struggling to scale, you can book your free growth call with my team from the first link in the description. And I will see you in the next one.